Kia India today launched the new Carens 3-row vehicle in the country. Introductory prices for the new MPV start at 8,99,000 rupees and go up to 16,99,000 rupees ex-showroom India. Kia offers the new Carens in 5 trim levels: Premium, Prestige, Prestige Plus, Luxury and Luxury Plus. But it is only the Luxury Plus variant that gets the 6-seater layout option. The MPV employs the company's latest global design language, Opposites United, making it the first Kia vehicle in India to get it. As for engine options, the Carens comes with a 1.5-litre petrol, a 1.4-litre turbo petrol and a 1.5-litre diesel engine with both manual and automatic transmission choices. The Global New Car Assessment Program has recently crash tested 4 Made in India cars as part of its Safer Cars for India initiative. The 4 cars include the 4th generation Honda City, Honda Jazz, Nissan Magnite and the Renault Kiger. The Honda City received an impressive 4-star safety rating for both adult and child occupant safety. The compact sedan scored 12.03 out of 17 for adult safety and 38.27 out of 49 for child occupant protection. The Honda Jazz 2 received a 4-star safety rating for adult occupant protection. However, the car lost points for not offering ISOFIX child seat mounts and thus scored a 3-star rating for child occupant safety. As far as the Nissan Magnite and the Renault Kiger go, both models received 4-star safety rating for adult occupant protection and a barely acceptable 2 stars for child occupant protection. Out of a total of 17, the Renault Kiger received a score of 12.34 compared to Magnite's 11.85 when it comes to adult occupant protection. On the other hand, the Nissan Magnite received a higher score of 24.88 out of 49 in child occupant protection. In comparison, the Kiger scored 21.05. The 2 SUVs lost points for not having electronic stability control and a 3-point seat belt for the rear middle passenger.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.